This tutorial is about SMTP, which is a protocol for email and for sending email. So we are going to configure this protocol on this topology, and without any waste of time, let's get started. So I will have to assign these IP addresses to the different PCs. So let me just begin. This is my PC1 here. Come here, and then just tap to get the subnet mask. Good. The server. Task number 2 will be to configure the email client. This is client 1, client 2. Let's start from there. Close this, and then come down here, click on email. Then we put the username. We take user 1. Then we put user 1 at example.com as the email. Incoming server will be example.com. The same server for outgoing. We'll just use Cisco as our password for this exercise, and we click save. Let's do same for client 2. Cisco for this exercise. Is just a practice, so I save that. Task number 3. So you click on service, then you come here to email. This is already on, so add the domain name there. Then user 1, password, click here to add user 2, password, add, and then we save it. Let's go to the DNS server. Come to service. Good. So the DNS server, turn it on, put the domain name there. Want to map it to this address, which is the mail server, a record, and then takes art, and then save. Okay, so we have mapped, this is the mail server here, so this is gonna resolve this IP address to this name. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. So this is what I've done. I was able to send the mail. So on this server, these are on. I added the two user mapped to this domain, right? They are saved here. So you put the user here and you put a password, put a domain. This domain has to resolve to the mail server. Okay, so we put it and we add them here. You see, I click on email here. So I go to the DNS server and I add a record here that resolve to the mail server IP address. You see, so that's how I added it. Then now I'm able to send a message from here. So I just send a message, like I came here, I said compose, this is the message, and I send the message to user2 at example.com. Okay, I put a subject there and I send it like that. I come back to destination PC and I click here and it show me the message that I just sent. So that's how you set up the SMTP protocol for email. Thank you so much, and I will see you later. Bye bye.